Today, I'm going to share my review and guide on how to use Dispute Beast, a credit repair software that helps you generate customized dispute letters using AI. If you've been struggling with negative items on your credit report, this tool can make the process much easier. Step 1. Set up your account and credit monitoring. After creating your Dispute Beast account, connect a credit monitoring service. This allows the software to pull your reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The monitoring setup is required before you can begin disputing. Step 2. Identify inaccurate items. Once your reports are imported, the AI scans for errors or negative items that may be lowering your score. You'll see exactly what's wrong and can decide what to challenge. Step 3. Create custom dispute letters. Dispute Beast uses AI to generate personalized dispute letters for each negative item, following Metro 2 compliance codes or pointing out factual inaccuracies. This saves time and ensures your letters look professional. Step 4. Launch an attack. In the software, each dispute campaign is called an attack. You can launch multiple attacks at once, targeting different items across major and secondary bureaus, collection agencies, or original creditors. Step 5. Choose your mailing method. You have two options. Download, print, and mail your letters yourself via certified mail. Sprint Mail. Pay for the integrated service to have your letters mailed automatically for you. Step 6. Repeat as needed. Credit repair is rarely one and done. After the bureaus respond, you may need to file follow-up disputes or permanent removal letters. Dispute Beast helps you generate these additional letters too. Important considerations. This is a do-it-yourself tool, not a credit repair agency. You're still responsible for monitoring and managing the process. Avoid frivolous disputes, don't challenge accurate information, or your file could be flagged. Be mindful of costs, monthly fees. Credit monitoring and postage can add up if you're mailing letters yourself. Overall, Dispute Beast is a powerful tool for anyone serious about DIY credit repair, offering automation for the hardest part, writing detailed dispute letters. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.